What up, everyone? All right, this is Mr. Bennett here, looking at trigonometry, unit 34, Pythagoras theorem. All right, these are few multiple choice, all questions from past CXC papers. All right, awesome stuff. All right. So the instruction says for each of these questions, choose the option that is true. This question for triangle PQR, which angle PQPR. Let's get down to it. I always encourage you guys to go ahead, try the video, try the question rather before the video is reached that. All right, so let's go. It says now. I have to go back up. I'm nervous. It says this question refers to triangle PQR. So here we have it, PQR, in which angle QP, so that's QP, is equal to 90 degrees. It's actually shown, this little box indicating that it's 90 degrees. PR, which is this side, is equal to 12, and PQ is equal to 5 centimeters. And we are asked to find the length of QR. So this is the length. As you can see, it's opposite to the right angle. So if a side is opposite to the right angle, that is side must be known as the what? Very good, the hypotenuse, right? So we are searching for the hypotenuse. Now the hypotenuse is equal to square of the two opposite sides, and then you just basically find the square root, and that's it, right? So let's do that. This one is actually one of the triplets. So I have an idea what it will be already. We'll call this side hypotenuse square. But that's what it means. After you square all of this, and you square all of this, it's equal to the squares of this. It's literally squares, all right? So 12 times 12, 12 by 12 square gives a 144 squares. And then 5 by 5 will give a 25 squares. Add them together, now we get what? 169. So now we're left to find the square root, because we want to get rid of this square right here. And the opposite of square is square root. So we just do for 1, we do for half. So what number multiplied by itself? Give you 169, and that would be 13. Alright, I like to show all the steps. Oh, put on the unit, guys. Ensure you put on the unit. Well, it's not paper 2 still, so just choose. Alright, so our answer would be 13. Alright, let's move on to 2. We go my tutor for these questions. So number 2 now said the diagram shows a circle with center O right there. A line ON, which is this, is drawn perpendicular to AB. See there? OA, which is this, is equal to 10. This is a radius, right? Hope you guys see that. It's from the center of the circle to the circumference. And AB from ear to ear is equal to 16. The length in centimeter of ON. So I want to basically find the height right here. This line right here, this is what they wanted to find. All right, let's reason out this. All of this is 16, so that means that if it's perpendicular, cutting off, right? So this would make it 8 and 8, right? And then now, this would be the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle. So we are not looking for the hypotenuse. So when we're not looking for the hypotenuse, we do what? Correct, we subtract, right? And this is also one of the triplets. All right. So a total of 100 squares But that's what it actually means, you know. This is a 10 by 10 square. And when you add up them two here, you're supposed to get 100. Now this one is 64 already. So how much more you need to make 100? Now 36. See how much easy, guys? Come on. So this will give us 36. And again, to get rid of the square, we take the square root, and that will give us 6. So we have 2 done already. So Benny, guys, please ensure that you like the video. Come on, what's happening? Like the video. All right, let's see what number 3 says. It says the triangle ABC above shows the angle of elevation at the top of B. So the angle of elevation of this. So if you have an angle of elevation, it simply means you have an angle of depression. So here's our 32. Now that is gonna be important. I don't know it, but I'm just the type of person who just put in information once me I do maths. That's how I used to do it. From I start read, I just put information. Teacher used to like that about me. Alright, the triangle ABC above shows the triangle of elevation at the top of P and the tower BC that equal 30 degrees. AB, so AB is 40 meters, so we're gonna put in that information. All right, the length of BC is, so we want to find BC. Easy. All right, BC can be 2. It can be 2-way, right? I could say which the option is. We could say opposite over hypotenuse. We don't see that. We don't see no sin there. Alright, so oh yeah, I'm sin there at 60 degrees. Alright. Let's move forward though. So we don't see no sin. Opposite. Which side may I look for again? AC. Oh, BC, this side. Alright, so we look at this side. So let's mark it X. Opposite of hypotenuse. Alright, now come from. Alright, so let's see them take it from the way. Let's see what that then do. And then smart, you know. So this would be adjacent. That's why that would be adjacent. So that would be cos 60. Let me see if cos 60 there. What the hell? See, man. Jesus Christ. This thing did it all right. Alright, so it would be opposite. So let's work it out. Sin 30 equal opposite upon hypotenuse, which is the 40. So we're solving now. So it would be 40. Cross multiply. Guys, sometimes that's a much when I overlook it, right? So it would be 40 times sin 30. And it's actually there. I did not see it, as I was wondering what the hell they can do. Alright. We could have also used sin, you know, cos, you know, right? Let me just use cos and show you. Cos and sin are the inverse of each other. So make it look funny. So it should be adjacent. So that be cos 60. You'll get the same answer. Cos 60 is equal to adjacent, which is x, upon the hypotenuse, which is 40. And we'll do the same thing, right? Guys, you know that nobody never tell me this. I discovered them something. You guys must do research, man. So it's 40 times cos 60. You want to be super awesome, alright? This could also be this and this is equivalent, right? Cos and sin is the inverse of each other. Alright, so let's go down to number 4. it says in the diagram above, which of the following is true? Sin E. God, here, chair, oh. All right, let me see if this sin. So we're looking from this angle, so this would be opposite if we are looking from this angle. So this one, this will be opposite if we are looking from here. So, all right, cos adjacent upon hypotenuse. Yeah, this one is it. That is B. B correct. We're not going to further. All right. So this is adjacent, and this is your hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is opposite to the right angle triangle, and adjacent means this side. So it's right beside it. All right, so let's look at the last one. I'm so grateful for these questions. I don't know if you guys are, but I am. All right. Question 5, refer to the following diagram below. And then here that, you know, them say a plane travels from point A on a bearing of 150 degrees. These are information put in already, right? To a point B, 10 kilometer away. See the 10 kilometer there? See the bearing? Remember, bearing measure from the north line in a clockwise direction, right? And then how far east is A? How far east of A is B? All right, so let's break it down. Bad question, this, you know. Bad question, guys. All right, I'm just, no, let me check down for a bit. All right, so the first thing that we need to do, we need to form a triangle, right? And so it's A, plane travels from point A, and be in a point B to point B, 10 kilometers away from B. How far east of A is B? So that means the distance here we are looking at. So no. How far east of A? Yeah. So definitely here's the way I look for. Right? So this is form a right angle. Right? See the triangle there now. So this is our 10 will be our hypotenuse. You don't like that 10. You put it in the middle. So put the 10 right in the one. Right? And this now is angles on a straight line. So therefore, this all of this are 180. So this are 30, right? And then now we're looking for this distance. So it will be opposite upon hypotenuse. So that's the sin 30 there. So that means that cos then cos 60. As I say, so go to this. Alright, so opposite over hypotenuse. That will give you the length here. But they never got, you don't have none with sin 30. So that means our cos 60. Because one is the inverse of the other. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. This is an awesome paper.